Are you looking for some inexpensive recruiting tools that can help you get set up to be recruited for college sports at any level for any college sport? You have come to the right place. So I have a couple tools that you can see in the description. Altogether, it would be, if you bought every single one of them, I think it would be less than $20 or $25. But there is a 10-step, exactly what you need to do to set yourself up for the recruiting process guide. That's my number one thing that I sell and share and use with all my clients and players, and work a lot off of when I make these videos. Number two, there's an in-depth ebook that goes through it, and then there's also like a one-page, very simple $2 PDF as well. Those things just kind of give different outlooks and step-by-step processes and understanding what to do. Then there's also the customized recruiting player profile. That is where we can take your information and a picture of your choice and basically make you your resume that can be shared with coaches and online. And then if you'd like, we could even mail you a binder copy of it. And then I believe those are just the tools that we're offering right now. Yeah, the guides, the customized player profile. That's it. So mainly though, I really am a believer that watch my videos, take the information from here, and then go to work setting yourself up to be recruited, to recruit yourself. And then find some coaches or mentors that are in your corner that can help send some stuff to specific schools. The more you understand, the better, and the better results you're going to have when you are showing these coaches that you want to play and that you want to go there. I think that goes a really long way, especially in today's world, that you do the work yourself to get recruited, and coaches will be a little more apt to this kid reaching out to me that really wants to go here rather than this coach that was trying to push players here, if that kind of makes sense. But mainly just good luck in your recruiting journey wherever you're at. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for being here.